No matter what language you speak, you're always going to have these little filler phrases that you're going to insert whenever somebody's talking to you, just to show them that you're following along with what they're saying. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's so sad. Oh,
Tell me something in English.
Okay.
And I'll react in these fillers.
I had Mexican food for lunch.
Que bom.
How good. But your body language shows me that you're not super...
Right. It could be like, que bom. So it all changes because you could be like, que bom. Or, que bom.
You're that proud of me for having Mexican food for lunch? Well, what if I have Mexican food every day? Maybe you would use this next phrase in response.
Que chato. Que chato.
I'm the guy who only eats Mexican food.
What if you had Mexican food and it made you throw up?
If you wanted to sympathize with me, then you could say, que pena.
Oh, que pena.
Pena is like a shame. What a shame.
Oh, what a shame. What if you can never eat Mexican food ever again?
Que triste.
Oh, que triste, which translates to how sad.
How sad.
Que triste.
Sounds super sarcastic if you said that in English. How sad. It's very common to hear que and then an adjective, and usually it doesn't have to be said in a sarcastic way, right?
Yeah, what if I'm like the food god and I prevent you from eating Mexican ever again?
Que mal.
Que mal.
How bad, how evil.
What if the delivery of the Mexican food is done by a puppy?
Okay, I'm just gonna skip over a few complications with this scenario, but you could say, que fofo.
Oh, que fofo.
How cute.
Yes. Que bom.
Que chato. Que chato.
Que chato.
Que chato.
Que triste.
Que fofo. Que fofo.
Que fofo.
Que fofo.
Que mal.
People often argue over which is better, learning a language more naturally through immersion or in the streets, versus studying it more deliberately with books and exercises. There are benefits to both methods, so you might as well combine the best of both worlds. A good approach is to find the right balance of structure and exploration. Give yourself a path. As adults, our brains benefit from having a clear path to follow. It keeps us motivated and gives us a more organized way to answer our own questions and build a solid language foundation. Without some structure, it'll probably take a lot longer to naturally pick up some of the grammar complexities, for example. We also benefit from getting out there and communicating with human beings. The urgency of being in situations where you can't stop and look something up is a powerful motivator. When you have conversations in the real world and explore a new topic without a clear structure, your brain is challenged in a much different way. Everyone is different, so just remember to experiment a little bit and find the best balance of structure and exploration that works for you.